Well, before we get to a weather report, the California Department of Water Resources held one of its manual snow surveys today, and the report says the Sierra Nevada snowpack continues to build during, well, one of the wettest winters in California's recorded history. Now, today's manual snow survey by the Department of Water and Resource Station at Phillips Station off Highway 50 notes that measurements show that the state's very wet winter has resulted in historically high snowpack levels in our Sierra Nevada, which provides about a third of California's water when the snow melts in the spring and summer. The average snowpack across the entire range was at 185% of normal conditions this morning. That's what the Department of Water Resources website said. Now, by region, the northern Sierra Nevada snowpack was at 159%, central 191%, and the southern, wow, 201% of average for this date. All right, let's go to the weather map. Sierra Wave Media forecaster Dennis Mattinson. Well, he's saying that, yes, it's March 1st and spring has sprung, at least for some of us. DMAT says there's two kinds of spring: astronomical spring based on the Earth's tilt on its axis. I love that kind of talk. On that day, DMAT says we see an equal amount of daylight. Starts on or about March 20th. The spring that arrived today is called the meteorological spring. It's based on temperature, not the Earth's tilt, and it follows the three coldest months of the year. High temperatures over the Pacific is what begins to change the weather patterns from winter to spring. DMAT says, speaking of spring, high pressure continues to dominate over the region, and some of us are stoked about that. Temperatures trending toward normal by Saturday. Dry and pleasant weather in store for us. And Dennis Mattinson says it looks like March has come in like a lamb. Low tonight into tomorrow morning for Mammoth. Not quite as cold, but still very chilly at 4 degrees. Bishop in the Owens Valley in the mid-20s. For Mammoth, June in Mono County on Thursday, sunny skies, light wind. 39 the high in Mammoth, overnight lows about 8 degrees. Why isn't everybody in the eastern Sierra skiing and boarding at Mammoth in June? Partly cloudy skies Friday, southwest winds 5 to 10. 40 the high in Mammoth. All right, we'll go half of that, 20 for the overnight lows. And Saturday for Mono County, partly cloudy skies. Looks like the wind's going to pick up a bit, maybe a little southwest wind, 10 to 15 miles an hour. 37 the high in Mammoth, overnight lows in the mid-20s. Bishop and the Owens Valley on Thursday. Forecast sunny skies, some light wind. 60 the high in Bishop, overnight lows in the upper 20s. Don't go out to Bishop Country Club because I want the course all for myself. Mostly sunny skies in the forecast for Friday, just some light wind. 63 the high in Bishop, overnight lows in the lower 30s. And for Saturday, partly cloudy skies, southwest winds 5 to 10. 64 the high in Bishop, overnight lows in the lower 40s. So after lots of snow and rain and wind and cold, nice to have a nice little stretch of late winter. Excellent weather here for us in the eastern Sierra. Wrapping up news and information for us here on Sierra Wave TV3. You know we're part of Sierra Wave Media. You can hear our radio station, Alt 92.5, streaming on our website. As you can see these newscasts, sierrawave.net. Have a great evening, everybody. Good night.